Hey there guys, it's Tina and I'm back. And I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. If you're also back, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again. But if you're new and maybe you like what you see, please consider subscribing because we have tons of fun here on this channel talking about makeup and all things beauty. And today I have a fun video for you guys. I was inspired by a look that I saw on JT from the City Girls. She attended the Mugler Fashion Show for Paris Fashion Week, and her makeup artist created this beautiful lip look on her, and it's been making its rounds on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok. And her makeup artist, Sophia Sinot or Sinot, I'm not sure how she pronounces it. I will leave her Instagram page linked down below. She recreated this look on herself, showing us just how she accomplished it and showing us the products that she used. And I was so inspired, I wanted to try it out on myself. And let me tell you, it was so much fun. So here is the lip look, which initially might not look like much until you see how it's created. There is a black outline in the center of the lips, and this is just stunning. And it's such a fun way to mix up like a classic dark liner and gloss look, right? And just take a look at these pictures, guys. JT is so gorgeous, first of all, and her lips are amazing. They're like perfect for this lip look, and I cannot compete or compare, so I am not trying to. I'm not saying I have those lips, child, but I want to try this out. It looks so fun, and look how her makeup artist created this look. It looks gorgeous on her as well. Her lips are a little bit more on the pink side, while JT's lips are a little bit more melanated, so they have a little bit more brown to them. But it looks stunning. It's so artistic and so fun. So I want to go ahead and try this on myself. So I'm going to show you guys how I created it so we can have fun. So let's go ahead and jump into me trying to recreate the look that JT wore to Paris Fashion Week. All right, guys, are we ready to do this? Yes, let's go. So I'm going to grab a dark brown liner. I don't have the exact one that she used from Huda Beauty. So I think I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario pencil. This is the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Jeff, which is a dark chocolatey brown. And she lines her entire lip in this dark brown shade. So that's what I am going to do. Now the lip liner she used was a little bit of a lighter brown, so I'm gonna go in with Milk Chocolate also. This one is a chocolatey brown also from Makeup by Mario, and just go over a part of the line, especially on the outer lip where she kind of blends it in. This shade by itself is not that deep and rich, and she definitely used a darker brown, so I'm just going to apply that to the outer edges. And then she blurs the lip pencil a little bit on the inner corners. So I'm gonna do exactly that with the lip brush that is on the end of this lip pencil. And then she goes in with an aqua liner in black. I have one from Suva Beauty, so I'm going to use this one. And I can't tell you the last time I used a liquid liner and a brush, so I had to go hunting for a tiny brush. This is from Cleona Cosmetics, and she lines the Cupid's bow. So that's exactly what I am going to do. And then she also lines her bottom lip, the center of it. And then she emphasizes the little V in the middle of the lip, both top and bottom. Let me just add a little bit more brown. and then she blurs it out. I'm using the brush side of the Makeup by Mario pencil again. But she uses a Q-tip, so I think that might work a little bit better. Let me try that. And then she goes in with a black liquid lipstick, which I don't have a black liquid lipstick anymore. I got rid of mine. So I'm going to use just a black lipstick. This is a Gucci lipstick. And she goes over the line. So far, it's not looking wrong, right? I think it looks fine. She goes in then with a clear gloss after blurring everything. So I'm just gonna grab my 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕒 gloss. And then to top it off, she goes in with a shimmery gloss. And I have a Lancome Juicy Tube, which I don't know if this is gonna be shimmery, but let's see. It looks like it would be shimmery, but it's not. I do have Fenty Glow, which is a little shimmery, right? Let's see. It's not exact, and I feel like it covered up some of the black, so I'm gonna go back in with a bit of the liner because I want to emphasize that black. I kind of feel like I want to darken up the brown liner a little bit, so I'm grabbing my liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors with Nyma Tang and add in just a little to the outline of my lips. Yeah, I think that now looks a lot better because the dark outline wasn't showing like the dark brown. And I want it to blend with the black. I mean, you're supposed to see the black, which you do. But I feel like the brown needed to be darker too. Yes! So there you have it. I love that. Here's the thing though, don't press your lips together, because if you do, you're gonna lose all the definition. Oh my god, that looks so good. That is so cute. Right? That is cute. This is very cute. I really like it. And there you have it, guys. I really had fun with this. This is so cute. Oh my god. I can imagine doing this with like a red liner instead. So making like a red and black lip. What? It's so cute. I love this. Something a little bit different for my channel, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I will leave all the products I use down below in the description box, along with links on where you can pick them up. If there is an asterisk next to any one of those links, that indicates that it is an affiliate link, which means I will get a small sales commission if you make a purchase through those links. It's a great way to show your appreciation for the channel because it gives me a little bit of kickback for putting you on. But if you are uncomfortable with that, just shop the way you normally shop. No muss, no fuss. I'm still happy you're here watching. And I will also leave the Instagram account for the makeup artist that created this again, Sophia. This is so stunning. And I think it also looks stunning on her. So I think it can work for lighter or darker skin tones. And it's a fun way to like get excited about makeup, get a little artistic, do something different. So I really had fun with it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will leave links to my Instagram and Twitter where you can follow me along. And until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye guys.